Hello and welcome to Wordle Solver. Today is February 14th, 2022. Happy Valentine's Day. We're going to attack Wordle 240 today. So starting with our favorite word, let's see what we got on the board. Oh wow, I think this might be a first since I've created this Wordle Helper app. Not one of our starting letters is actually in the word today. Let's see how many eligible words remain. 2065. I think that's the most I've seen actually still remaining after our first guess, which is pretty terrible, to be honest. Out of the remaining words, the 2065 words, the letter I occurs in 65% of those. So tossing out A, E, and O as our vowels, I is the most likely remaining vowel in the word, so we should definitely pick a word that starts with or contains the letter I. If we look at the most frequently found words on the internet according to Google, which is the third most frequently 5-letter word on the internet? Click number 9, think, night, light, might, child, etc. So looking at the statistics here, second most likely letter to exist in the word is the letter U, and it's most likely, if it does occur, to be in the second position. Now moving into consonants N, L, and T. This is a tough one. If we just follow our suggestions here, we would get an I, we'd get a C, an H, and a W way down here. I don't know if I like that. C, L, I, and another C, so I don't like that one either. Don't want to use two of the same letter, so let's try think. T, H, I, N, where's the K at? Down here at 16%. Night, N, I, G, H, T. Night looks to me like the best word at the highest potential information gain. So let's go with night, see what we get. All right, at least we have some information. So there's an N, and there's an I, just in different positions. So let's update this, submit. See, we move from 2065 now down to 154, still quite a few words remaining. It's recommending we look at the word blind, blink, quin, or unzip. It's guessing there could still be a U, so out of these 150 words, 52% of them have a U in the second letter. 35% have an L somewhere, also tends to be in the second position. D's, C's, or K's. Oof. So do we have anything in here with a bunch of D's, C's, and K's? So B, L, I, N, K might be some pretty good information. Let's give that a shot. And no, actually we learn not much in this case, just other places where our, let's see, wrong position and not in Wordle. So no B, no L, I and an N in a different spot, and no K. Submit. So moving from 154 words now down to 49. Unzip, Cindy. I don't know that I'd expect to see Cindy, C-Y-N-D-I, as a Wordle solution. Maybe cumin. That could be. Let's take a look here. So the C thinks there's a C and a U. Really wants to see, so let's go with cumin. I think that's a pretty reasonable guess here. C-U-M-I-N. Cumin. See what we get. Aha! Okay, well, at least we've learned something. I think this is the first time we have not won in 4 or fewer guesses. So this one's a good stumper. Our starting word really was not a good choice today. Let's look at this. So no U, no M, I is in the correct position, N is in the wrong position. Let me make sure I got this right. Cumin. Yep. Down from 49 words down to 2 remaining, either cynic or some other, so it must be cynic. Let's try C-Y-N-I-C. Submit, and we got it in 5 today. Well, opportunity to improve for sure. but still doing really well overall since we started recording these videos using this helper app. 4 of the games solved in 3, one of them in 2, and now this one in 5. So still solved it. Got to feel good about that, and look forward to tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you then.